Hello friend, how are you? I hope all is well and your family is also fine. Today I will be teach you uh, today I will teach you new anti-detect browser. Today I will be talking about BitBrowser and how to use it easy step by step. I will be telling you how to use this browser and how many prices, how to create a account, how to connect a customer support if you have to any type of problem, then how to support and how many times will be supported in customer support. Everything I will be teach you in this video. That so please let's get started in this video. Okay. This is obviously website bitbrowser.net. It is obviously website of bitbrowser.net. Okay, and here first look of the website BitBrowser. Here to logo, this is the logo BitBrowser, and here to many slide in futures BitBrowser cloud phone, also Android emulator for PC and Mac. Everything, many type of features in these options. That's so I will be teach you. Here up and down I will show the website, how to look this website. This is look like this type of website looking, many type of options, and 3 million जो है million users choose bit browser for multi account management. Here to live customer support, if you have to click, and many type of live customer support. Here to online chatting is you have to telegram and whatsapp number. Also business corporate is this is telegram account, and complain, you have to complain or any type of advice, then you have to telegram this telegram, and also flow us this account, then telegram users, also whatsapp groups users, and join wechat user group. This is many type of user group. Also feedback to any employee. Suppose you have to working on bit browser company, then have to any type of feedback, then choose these options. Okay, many support options and live chat, you have to any type of problem, then quickly sort out, nothing will be wait and quick to sort out. This is a product is a two type product. First of all, bit browser multi account security management and anti detect browser. Second option is bit cloud phone, easily on multiply multiple cloud based real device. This is a real device, not virtual device, but it is virtual device, but as look like real devices. Okay, real devices. And here to download options. Suppose I will be click in this options bit browser, then here to many type of options in the options. Okay, and up I will show the up, and download options, you have to click the download, then efficiency operation e-commerce, then suppose you have to download windows, mac, and mac apples, and mac intel, different type of os. Suppose you have to click version, this is many type of version, this is many type of different type of version, and simply click download button. If you have to using the windows, then simply down, you have to mac, then download, and intel and apple, different types. It is product download options. Okay, I will teach you about the pricing. How many price? It is monthly price, quarterly price, semi-annual, and annual. For type you have to plans, and in you have to get. Bit browser is 10 profile where you have to free, and monthly best plan is $10. Only for you have to investment $10, and you have to get 50 browser. How many browser? 50 browser. And members is 2 members, and open times is per day 5000. but here to open times per day is 50 only for suppose you have to one time use 10 profile. Today I will be again created then deleted, created deleted, created deleted, then 50 more 50 account per day you have to create it, but one time you have to use 10 profile, it is free. And same features is a uh, deep deep development of Google Firefox, same management is, it will be same functions free and also paid, it will same function you have to like. And also you have to suppose you have to 1000 3000, then price is increased 1000, then $15, then 200, then $25. How many profile you have to create only for changing. And custom you have to custom is many type of, it is business type of team. Suppose you have to large amount 1 lakh 2 lakhs management account managing, then you have to choose this type of account. Suppose you have to buy the quarterly, then you have to click it simply quarterly, and you have to monthly quarterly every $27, 50 profile then $27. Semi annuals you have to $48, and annual will be have to $84. Suppose you have to buy $100, then 126 semi annuals, and 100 profile you have to create it, then $72, and quarterly you have to created to $40. Okay, $40, this is pricing. This is many type of the pricing. And suppose you have to created, you have to new customer, new user, you have no any type of account, then simply click the sign up options. Okay, sign up options, if you have to login with email, and if you have to login with phone number, both are supported in this website. Simply first of all click username, then enter password, then enter email address, then verification then you have to sending a bit browser. First of all sending your email address is 6 digit verification code. You have to USDT and CNY, it is a currency. How many type of currency you are using, but USDT is all over world is running. Suppose you have to click sign up options, then you have to create a new account, and directly you have to log in. Simply click Google account and Facebook account, two options, then you have to direct login options. Okay, login options, after that you login, then you have to created the account. This is very important video. How to like this video, please give me a comment, and if you have new viewers, then please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I will be meet you in next video.